It's not scary, Mommy.
It's not scary?
Yeah. Some blue and red.
What do you have in your basket?
All my stuff.
What's that?
All my stuff. They're noisy in my bedroom. They're playing. And look, I have a new shoe. A light. Yeah, and my light up again. Today we gonna put some painting.
And we are going to make what?
Mixing this one.
What will we make?
And there's some plate and then this is a volcano mix.
Okay, volcano mixing.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go there.
Now we are going to make the volcano first.
Birthday money.
Okay, so
Yes. And then
so what do you have now, Raine?
I'm gonna just be
What is this?
volcano na, but it's real painting. Purple painting.
Okay, and then you guys, we are not going to be using the paint that comes with Crayola since Raine still has the old paint from another toy. Okay, so again, another tip, do not throw any part of an
Mom,
old
can
toy.
you get this and
Okay, what's the magic word?
please?
Okay.
Mommy, purple lang ako.
Okay. Go ahead and paint it.
Favorite ko, purple. My favorite ko, blue. Like a rainbow.
Favorite in green?
Yes, it's like a rainbow.
So this is the same paint that we used for our birdhouse, correct? Where's our birdhouse? Our birdhouse is hanging there. Okay, if you see the birdhouse. So the paint that we use today is the same paint that we use for our birdhouse. Or actually outside, we're in the patio. Go ahead. Okay, so look at our volcano now.
But we can paint some more.
Do you know that there's a volcano that erupted in the Philippines, Raine?
Yes.
So did you see the people around the volcano?
Yes.
Look at our volcano, Raine.
Yes.
It's so big
And
and it looks so scary because it's going to erupt very soon.
Nana is gonna throw their chance.
What? Nana is what? Nana is what? What did you say?
It's not gonna throw their chance. Look, I can see it, Nana.
Nana is gonna throw the trash.
And then gonna.
Oh no! Look! Uh-oh.
No worry, Mommy.
It's fizzy tabs.
And then
They look like what?
medicine.
Medicine is enough?
Like medicine when there is no noise.
Okay. And the other one. slowly inside this one. Oh wow, look at our volcano. Don't hold it. Don't hold the volcano.
It's like a volcano.
Oh wow, look, Langga, look. Okay, so what do you think will happen? Say, Raine, listen to mom. If there are houses here, what will happen to the people?
Living there.
So, yes, what will happen to the people who are living near? If there are houses here, then what will happen to the people? They're covered with lava. See, and their houses will be burnt. Their houses will be destroyed. What will happen to the people?
I know, Mommy, I know. They're living in yours.
Oh, here. They'll live here, so they'll transfer. They'll move.
Yeah.
They'll move. If they don't move, what will happen to them? Will they die?
No.
They won't.
Yes, they'll die.
Okay, they'll die. Oh no! All the people are killed, Raine. Their house is burnt by the lava. Scary?
It's not scary, just like a love. Look, Mommy, look.
Are you enjoying it? You like it?
It's like a bubble.